Hello everyone, Dr. Joan Coleman here, owner, director of Let Me Be Me, a program which inspires confidence in people of all ages. Today I want to ask you a question. When you go into a room and when you meet new people and when you leave, what impression do you leave with those people? Listen, today I'm talking about being a good memory. Once you walk into a room, if you are down and dragging and nasty and have a bad attitude, people are going to remember that. If you're happy and you're laughing and you have a good flow and a good aura about you, people are going to remember that. What do you want people to remember about you? I have a quote here. And the quote says, "One day you'll be just a memory for some people. Do your best to be a good one." You want to be a good memory. You don't want people to see you coming and remember, oh, that's the girl from last time. She was so rude. Or, oh, that's the guy from last time. Did you hear how nasty he was to his wife or to his children? You don't want anybody to think bad about you. Not that you're putting on airs and acting like you're somebody you're not. But listen, if you're going to go out, you be the best you can be. Because your first impression is sometimes it's not good. But when it's good, and you leave a good memory with people, and people want to associate with you. Oh, that's the girl that laughed so hard at my joke, or oh, that's the guy who said something nice about my shoes. I don't know what people do to make you feel good, and what makes you remember them, but I know there's ways that you will be remembered. Do good, go out, be kind. Be nice. I say it over and over again. Have a great attitude. Be the best you can be. And when you step into a room and when people see you coming, I bet you will have left a great memory with them. You could do it. You could do it. I know we're not happy all the time, and I know sometimes we're down, and I know sometimes the weather might be cloudy and you're like, oh, you're dragging. But listen, that doesn't matter. That should never stop you from leaving a good memory wherever you go. And a good memory simply is just being your kind, your nice, your friendly, authentic self. And if you can't be kind, nice, or friendly, just smile. You don't have to talk. You don't have to let anybody know what's really in you, because that's things you're working out every day so that you can leave a good memory with people. Listen, it's your mind, it's your mouth, it's your body. I'm only here to help build your confidence. Start today. Go somewhere. Smile. Say something kind. Our world needs more kindness in it. We need more we're so closed off because we're so afraid that people are going to use us or hurt us that we don't even take time to speak to each other. Speak to somebody. Say hi, how are you? Or just smile. You don't even have to talk. But wherever you go and people see you, they want to say, oh yeah, I remember her. Or I remember him. They're good people. Leave a good memory. This is Dr. Joan Coleman, owner, director of Let Me Be Me, a program which inspires confidence in people of all ages.